Hope no one's here or listening. God, you're retarded. You can't hook trees with a nymphing rig. It'll ruin your day.
Mama said I ain't right, got a bad streak a mile long. Oh, my soul is black as night, what feels right is always wrong. Whoa, like a hard, hard rain. Ain't no hero, honey, no angel face. Oh, I ain't no saint.
Woo! First fish. Gotcha. Ooh, on the jagged head nymph too. He might get off, I'm not gonna lie. Alrighty, I got you. Don't worry. Oh man, I gotta get my hand wet. Hey, hold on a second. Oh, hold on. Wow, beautiful rainbow. Show you off the camera. Don't twitch, don't twitch. Look at that. Gorgeous fish. Hey, hold on, don't jump. Now, go back and make babies. I knew there was a fish in there. First fish of the day! Subscribe to Dan the Random Man's channel. Thank you and please. Like part of the stream. I'm sure there's a fish over there, but it's probably gone since I've been here. Ooh, I thought so. Just grabbed a rock. Another one. I'm not even taking a picture of you. Alright. Dragon one. Oh, fuck. Alright. You're caught. You're caught. For the love of God. And the little ones are the feisty ones. Look at that guy. Gorgeous fish. Yeah, buddy. And another one. Wink. Later. So here's the first spot we fished. My God, look at that. View is freaking unreal. Caught most of our fish off this top run, so let's see if we can find another one like it. Follow the same pattern. At least we know where the fish are hanging out. I thought for sure that rock right there was going to have something under. I floated by it like 7 times and there was nothing. Also, casting with this crap behind me is rather difficult. Makes sense though. This right here is like, I'd say 2-3 feet deep compared. compared to over here where it's like a foot. So this is where I caught all my fish, was right in here. So I mean, well, you know what? We'll flick this a couple more times. Might throw the drone up, get some aerial views. Just because it's pretty. And I think that'd be worth it. Let's flick it a couple more times. Oh. Woo, good fish. Yeah, buddy. That's two, baby. Hold on a second. Don't break me off. They're like a 1 pound rainbow. Good fish though. Look at that pretty fella. Thank you. Okay. Have a good day. He gone. Actually, he went that way, which is funny. All right. Next fish. Did you destroy my line? Yeah. Well, that looks like it's the end of the day. I'm tired. Fished a lot. Not with the most success, but got a couple. I mean, heck, one of them was actually decent. There are some big fish in this river. I just got to figure out what they're eating. It's going to take a while. Got this. Oh, the other end of it is back. Take this man bra off. Ugh. Yeah. That was an amazing day. I can't wait to show you guys the footage. Without further ado, I'm signing off and going home. Y'all have yourselves a wonderful night, morning, or evening, depending on when you're watching this video. I'll see y'all on the next one.